Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to make PDF file in mobile. So if we're going to make a PDF file mobile, we're going to use our Google Drive. So open your Google Drive app on your mobile phone, and then here you need to make sure that you're signed in with your account. And then you have two options to make a PDF file. First one here, again, we just have to tap on the new button right here at the bottom right, or maybe the camera icon. And then again, tap on that scan icon right here. So what you're going to do, just tap on while using the app and scan the document using your camera. And then here, once you've done, just have to save it. So as you can see right from here, so we have this document. So tap on done at the top right. And then you have an options if you want to save as a PDF file or JPEG. So here in this case, we're going to save this as PDF file. Then once done, tap on save button at the top right hand corner. So that is the first way on how you can make a PDF file. So as you can see, if you're going to tap on that PDF file, so there you have it. Now we're gonna try the second one again. Tap on the new button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then tap on upload. So from here, just have to choose an image. So for example, this one here. Now we're going to wait until it's done uploading this image on your drive. Okay, so once you've done, again, tap on that image or the JPEG file, and then tap on the three dots right there at the top right hand corner, and then scroll down and tap on print. So as you can see at the top, you can now on options of you have an options now to save this image as a PDF file. So that is the two ways on how you can make PDF file on your mobile. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.